You alright? Fucking hell, that was fucking scary.
Jesus Christ.
You alright?
Oh, I'm a bit shaken up.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. Do you want to get a rope on and see if we can pull you up?
Just live around the bloody corner.
Do you?
Yeah.
How are we going to get you off the road? I can pull you up probably. But it might damage something, that's the trouble. Yeah, went right up on their, near the end through their front fucking window.
Just pull over a bit, let
Yeah.
them fine.